Then it's late at night, and the house is quiet, but your mind is anything but. You stare at the ceiling, shift your pillow, adjust your blanket, and hope sleep will finally come. Minutes turn into hours. Your legs feel restless, your thoughts speed up, and the harder you try to relax, the more awake you become. For many seniors, this becomes a nightly battle, one that leaves them exhausted the next morning and wondering why sleep keeps slipping farther away with age. But what if falling asleep didn't require pills, devices, or complicated routines? What if your own body had a built-in way to switch off stress, slow down racing thoughts, and guide you gently into sleep? In this video, you'll discover a simple 3-point tapping technique that does exactly that. It's easy to learn, safe at any age, and surprisingly effective for calming the nervous system within minutes. These points can help quiet the mind, ease tension headaches, reduce nighttime anxiety, and lift the heavy fatigue that builds when sleep becomes unpredictable. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another life-changing health tip. Why sleep becomes difficult after 60. Sleep changes naturally with age, and many seniors are caught off guard by how quickly it becomes harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. One major reason is that the body produces less melatonin after 60. This hormone signals the brain that it's time to rest, and when its levels drop, the mind stays alert longer than it should. At the same time, the circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells the body when to feel awake or sleepy, starts to drift. Seniors may feel tired earlier, wake up earlier, or experience long stretches of sleeplessness in the middle of the night. Another hidden factor is the overactivity of the fight-or-flight response. As people age, the nervous system becomes more reactive, meaning stress, worry, or even small thoughts can trigger a spike of alertness. This makes nighttime awakenings more common and falling back asleep much harder. Overthinking, replaying conversations, and worrying about health or responsibilities often keep the brain in a light, restless state. All of this creates a cycle. Poor sleep leads to morning fatigue, brain fog, irritability, and reduced confidence in daily tasks. Many seniors begin to fear bedtime itself, unsure whether their body will cooperate. This is why a calming technique becomes so valuable. Many seniors fall into the belief that poor sleep is simply part of getting older, something they must endure because their body is changing. But that isn't true. While sleep does shift with age, restful, deep, consistent sleep is still absolutely possible. The brain can relearn how to settle, the body can calm itself naturally, and the nervous system can be guided back into a peaceful rhythm without relying on heavy medications or complicated devices. This is where tapping becomes powerful. It is gentle, safe, and accessible for anyone, even those with limited mobility. You don't need strength, flexibility, or special equipment, just your hands and a few minutes of focused touch. Tapping sends calm signals through the nervous system, helping the brain release tension and allowing the body to drift into sleep more easily. As you learn these points, think of this moment as a turning point. You're not just watching another sleep tip. You're discovering a method that can shift your nights from restless to peaceful and bring back the confidence that your body still knows how to rest deeply. This is your reminder that better sleep is not out of reach. It starts tonight. What is tapping therapy? Tapping therapy is a simple practice with roots in ancient acupressure traditions, where specific points on the body were stimulated to calm the mind and restore balance. Over time, modern sleep and stress research has shown that gentle touch on these points can help regulate the nervous system in a very real, measurable way. When you tap or press on targeted areas, the brain interprets it as a signal of safety, lowering stress hormones and easing the tension that keeps the body stuck in alert mode. This calming effect supports the natural release of serotonin, which helps quiet the mind, and melatonin, which guides the body into sleep. That's why tapping often works faster than many nighttime routines. It tells the nervous system to shift from stress to rest, without relying on medication. What makes tapping especially appealing for seniors is how easy and accessible it is. No equipment, no cost, no complicated steps. You can do it sitting up in bed, lying down, or even while winding down in the living room. A few minutes of tapping can create a noticeable change in how relaxed your body feels, making it a practical and reliable tool for better sleep at any age. How tapping calms the body. Tapping works because it helps the body shift out of the fight-or-flight state and into a calmer rest and digest mode. As people get older, the stress response becomes easier to trigger and harder to shut off, which keeps the mind alert long after it should be settling down. Gentle tapping sends a physical message through the nerves that the environment is safe, allowing the body to release tension instead of holding onto it. When these signals reach the brain, they activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for slowing the heart rate, steadying the breath, and preparing the body for sleep. Think of it like dimming the lights in a room. Tapping gradually lowers the internal brightness so the mind can relax instead of staying wide awake. The body often responds quickly. Muscles loosen, breathing becomes smoother, and thoughts begin to drift instead of racing. It feels as if someone has gently placed a hand on your shoulder and told your nervous system that it's okay to let go. That is why tapping can be such an effective sleep tool. It acts as a clear, steady signal of safety, guiding the body toward the calm state needed for deep, restorative rest. Point 1. The inner wrist point. The first point sits on the inner wrist, just a few finger widths below the palm, and it is often one of the quickest ways to calm the body at night. This spot connects to a nerve pathway that can lower cortisol, slow the heart rate, and soften the anxious energy that keeps the mind alert. Many people think of the wrist as just a joint, but the inner side is packed with sensitive receptors that send clear signals to the brain. When tapped gently, it tells the nervous system to shift away from stress and begin settling into a more peaceful rhythm. Harold, age 70, from Colorado, discovered this point during a stretch of restless nights. He often lay awake with racing thoughts, jumping from one worry to another. His heart felt a little too fast, his breathing too shallow, and no amount of shifting pillows helped. One night, frustrated, he tried tapping on his inner wrist the way his doctor had shown him. At first, he felt nothing. But after a minute, his chest softened, his breath slowed. His mind, which usually felt like a spinning wheel, began to ease. For the first time in weeks. He felt a genuine sense of unwinding. Encouraged, Harold made it part of his nightly routine. He tapped gently for 1 to 2 minutes on each wrist, breathing slowly as he did it. Over the next few nights, he noticed something important. His body responded faster. The more consistently he used the point, the sooner his nervous system shifted into relaxation. Instead of spending hours waiting for sleep, he found himself drifting off much more easily. This inner wrist point works because it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural brake pedal. When this system turns on, the heart rate drops, muscles loosen, and the mind becomes quieter. For many seniors, it becomes a reliable guide into deeper, steadier sleep because it reduces the internal tension that keeps the body alert long after bedtime. But this is only the beginning. The next point doesn't require touching the chest at all. Yet it has a powerful ability to influence breathing and quiet the mind even further. Point 2. The spot between the eyebrows. The second tapping point sits right between the eyebrows, often called the calm point because of how directly it affects the mind. What makes this area so important for seniors is that tension builds here quietly throughout the day. Many people furrow their brows when thinking, worrying, concentrating, or even watching television. By bedtime, this tiny muscle area may be tight without anyone noticing. That tension sends a constant signal of alertness to the brain, making it harder to switch off racing thoughts and drift into rest. Carol, age 68, from Virginia, struggled with this for years. She often lay awake with her mind replaying conversations, planning tomorrow, or drifting into worry. One evening, during a sleep workshop, she learned about tapping the point between her eyebrows. The instructor explained that this area is connected to the frontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for thinking, decision-making, and analyzing. When this area stays active, sleep feels almost impossible. Carol decided to try it that night. She tapped gently between her eyebrows with 2 fingers, breathing slowly as she did. Within a minute, she felt something she hadn't experienced in a long time. Her mind softened. The edges of her thoughts blurred. The tightness she didn't even know she carried in her forehead began to ease. Encouraged, she added this point to her nightly wind-down routine. She noticed that tapping here not only helped her relax, but also quieted the constant mental chatter that made her nights so long. Her doctor later explained that gentle tapping on this point reduces activity in the frontal cortex and activates pathways connected to relaxation. By calming this overactive part of the brain, the body finally receives permission to rest. The benefit of this point is not just about easing tension in the forehead. It shifts the mental state. When the frontal cortex quiets, the mind stops analyzing, planning, and worrying. This creates a smooth transition into the dreamy, slow-wave brain activity needed for deep sleep. Seniors who tap this area often report falling asleep faster and waking up fewer times during the night. But the technique doesn't end here. The final point is even more powerful because it influences full-body release, helping the nerves, muscles, and breath relax together for a deeper, more complete sleep response. Point 3. The top foot sleep point. The third sleep point sits on the top of the foot, in the soft space between the big toe and the second toe, and it is one of the most powerful calming points on the entire body. Many seniors are surprised to learn that tapping here sends a quiet but steady signal up the vagus pathway, the body's main relaxation channel. This point is deeply connected to the nerves that regulate tension, breathing, and emotional state. When it is tapped gently, it helps release the full body tightness that builds throughout the day, and often reaches its peak the moment someone tries to fall asleep. Robert, age 75, from New York, relied on this point during some of his hardest nights. He had always been a light sleeper, but after retirement he noticed that his anxiety felt sharper and more unpredictable. Some nights his heart felt too fast, and other nights his thoughts circled around problems he couldn't solve at midnight. He learned about the top-of-foot point from a therapist who specialized in natural sleep support. Skeptical but desperate for relief, he decided to try it during one particularly restless night. He reached down, tapped gently on the point for about a minute, and something unexpected happened. His breath slowed. The tightness in his chest loosened. His legs, which usually felt restless, became still. He didn't fall asleep instantly, but the anxiety that kept him awake melted enough that he drifted off shortly after. Encouraged, Robert made this point part of his nightly routine, especially on nights when his mind felt unsettled. Over the next few weeks, he noticed he no longer spiraled into late-night worry. His body relaxed faster, his heart rate dropped more quickly after tapping, and he woke up feeling more rested because he wasn't fighting tension for hours before sleep. This point works so well because it influences the entire nervous system at once. Tapping here helps activate the vagus nerve's calming response, which tells the body it is safe to let go. The shoulders release, the breath deepens, and the mind quiets enough to allow sleep to take over. For many seniors, this point becomes the missing piece that helps their whole body unwind, and here is where things get even better. There is a simple bonus routine that, when added to these 3 tapping points, amplifies their effect and helps the body transition into deep sleep even more smoothly. Supporting evening habits. Tapping works even better when the body is already being guided gently toward rest, and a few simple evening habits can make a big difference. One of the easiest ways to support the brain before bed is drinking warm water with a little honey. Warmth relaxes the digestive system, and honey provides natural sugars that help the body produce serotonin, which later converts into melatonin. This creates a smoother transition into sleep. Avoiding caffeine and heavy meals at night is just as important. Caffeine lingers in the system for hours, keeping the mind alert long after the last cup. Heavy meals force the digestive system to stay active, making it harder for the body to settle. Light dinners and earlier eating times help the stomach rest so the nervous system can shift into a calmer state. A calm bedroom environment also strengthens the effect of tapping. Soft lighting, cooler temperatures, and a quiet space send a clear message to the brain that it is safe to slow down. Many seniors sleep better when the room feels uncluttered and peaceful, almost like a gentle cue that nighttime is a time of protection, not worry. When tapping is paired with these small rituals, the body begins to see sleep as a safe, welcoming state. It can enter with far less effort. Creating a nightly sleep ritual. A nightly ritual gives the body something it craves after 60. Consistency. When tapping is paired with a few calming habits and repeated the same way each evening, the nervous system begins to recognize the pattern as a signal that it is time to unwind. This ritual does not need to be long or complicated. Even a simple sequence, quiet lighting, slow breathing, gentle tapping, and a brief moment of stillness can guide the brain toward a predictable state of calm. Many seniors find that repeating the same steps each night becomes a form of reassurance to the body. It tells the mind there is nothing to fight, nothing to solve, nothing to fear. Over time, this ritual becomes a familiar path toward rest, almost like taking the same peaceful road home every night. The most important shift is psychological. Instead of viewing sleep as a struggle or a battle against racing thoughts, the ritual helps sleep feel like a friend again. A friend who arrives reliably when invited, not something you must chase or force. With tapping at the center of this routine, the body learns to let go more easily, making sleep a calmer, more natural experience. Tonight is the perfect time to try this tapping technique for yourself. You don't need special tools, perfect timing, or a long routine. Just a few quiet minutes and your own hands. As you follow the steps, pay attention to how your body responds. Notice whether your breath slows, your shoulders soften, or your thoughts begin to drift. Even small shifts mean your nervous system is reacting, learning, and settling into a calmer state. If you decide to try it, share your experience in the comments. Let others know what changed for you, how quickly your body relaxed, or what surprised you most. Your story may help someone else who's been struggling in silence, wondering if anything natural can actually work for them. Remember that thousands of people are on this same journey toward better sleep, and every shared experience creates a sense of community and encouragement. You're not doing this alone. Each night you practice tapping, you're teaching your body a healthier way to rest. And tonight could be the first night in a long time that sleep finally feels peaceful again. Sleeplessness may feel like an unavoidable part of aging, but it doesn't have to be. The body still holds the ability to calm itself, repair itself, and guide you into restful sleep, even after years of difficulty. You have far more control over your nights than you may think. With a few minutes of focused touch, you can remind your nervous system how to relax again. Tonight, remember the 3 tapping points you learned: the inner wrist that slows stress signals, the spot between the eyebrows that quiets the mind, and the top-of-foot point that releases tension throughout the whole body. These simple touches can bring you back to a place of balance and comfort. Trust that your body is not working against you. It's simply waiting for the right cues. When you give it gentle guidance, it responds. With each tapping session, you reinforce calm/confidence and the belief that peaceful sleep is still possible. Let this be your reminder that rest is not lost to age. It is still yours, and it can return more easily than you expect. Conclusion: if this video helped you understand your body's natural sleep signals and gave you a technique to finally calm your nights, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. It helps this information reach more people who may be quietly struggling with the same sleeplessness you've faced. And your engagement tells the platform that these calming health-focused tools matter. In the comments, share how your nights have been lately and whether you tried any of the tapping points. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear to feel hopeful again. This space is not just information, but a community of people working toward better rest, stronger health, and more peaceful nights. We're in this together, learning and improving one step at a time. Let's help each other sleep easier.